Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change language in Google Gemini. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to gemini.google.com. After navigating to this website, you will see a profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Simply click on your profile picture and you will see all your Google accounts and emails that you'll be logged in with. Now, simply click on Manage your Google account button at the bottom of your profile page and it is going to take you to your Google account page. Here, you will see your name appearing on the screen. Now, you'll have to simply click on the Personal Info button under Home button. When you click on this button, you will see all your basic information available on this page. You'll have to simply navigate at the bottom of this page and you will see your password. Here, you'll have to simply click on the language under General Preferences for Web. Click on language and here you will see this page where you'll easily be able to see your language appearing. Simply click on this pencil icon and it is going to show you Enter Language page. Simply select the desired language that you want to change to. For example, if I select Espanol, my language will be set as that specific language that I choose in this section. After I choose it, I'll have to simply click on Save and my language on Google Gemini will be saved. So that's how you change language in Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.